BattlefieldDoktor.
Hello YouTube, it's me again, the BattlefieldDoktor, and today I have a very good idea. And the idea is another YouTube game. So, what's the name of this game? A floppy disk goes around the world. So, what are the rules? The rules are, all you need to have is a video camera. It's no matter if it is a webcam or if it is a camcorder. Because you need to film yourself landing the floppy disk to someone else, to someone here from YouTube. So what else do you need? You need just something very special, and I can show you. First of all, you need a pen, maybe a CD pen or a permanent marker, because you have to sign the floppy disk with your name and your country, and then it goes on.
This sounds really pretty easy.
Yes, it is really easy. And you need an envelope, and of course you need some stamps. Oops. So, since I'm the first one, I will sign the floppy disk as first. Yeah. This is a very old floppy disk. It's from my Commodore 64. It's formatted and, well, pretty old. I have no more use for it. So, it's pretty good for a game. My name. So, are you the one who gets this floppy disk to go on with the game? This is a pretty good question, huh? Well, you have to tell me down below if you want to go on with the game, if you want to get this disk and to make the same competition. And well, that's an easy rule for the game, so let's start it. I will wait for 2 weeks in my comments. Don't post me your address yet, just post it to me when you are ready, when I picked you to get this floppy disk. Then you can post me your address and I will send you this floppy disk and the game can continue. Okay, may the best win.